Are you still waiting for the perfect moment to start? Still telling yourself tomorrow will be the day? Well, let me ask you this. If not now, when? Welcome to 2025, a year full of opportunities, a year for you. This is your time to thrive, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Here at Vital Harmony, we believe in a life where balance is key. A life where fitness is fun, food is nourishing, and every day feels like a step toward becoming the best version of yourself. This channel is your guide to total well-being, from fitness routines that energize you to yoga practices that bring peace, from nutrition tips that fuel your body to mindset strategies that uplift your soul. We cover it all. And the best part, it doesn't matter where you're starting from. Whether you're a teenager building healthy habits, an adult balancing work and life, or someone wiser in years seeking vitality and calm, Vital Harmony is for you. Health isn't about extremes. It's not about endless diets or grueling workouts. It's about finding what works for you, nourishing your body with wholesome food, moving in ways that make you feel alive, caring for your mind as much as your muscles. We're not here to overwhelm you with impossible goals or one-size-fits-all solutions. We're here to inspire and empower you with practical tips, step-by-step guides, and real-life strategies that fit into your lifestyle. Imagine this: waking up every day with energy, focus, and a sense of purpose. Feeling good in your body and strong in your mind. That's what Vital Harmony is all about. This is more than just a channel. It's a community where we learn, grow, and celebrate together. So join us as we explore the path to harmony for your body, mind, and soul. Because health isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. Welcome to Vital Harmony. Let's create a life of balance and wellness, one step at a time. In our next video, we'll dive deep into the world of nutrition. How to choose foods that work for you, not against you. Because a healthy body begins with what's on your plate. So, what are you waiting for? Your journey begins now. Click subscribe and join a community of people just like you, ready to embrace a healthier, happier, and more harmonious life. Vital Harmony, your path to balance and wellness.